Hello friends. Welcome to Tech Community. Sumifs is very useful for some rage with multiple criteria. For example, we have two sheet, store and e-commerce. We need e-commerce sales in store sheet. Type Sumifs formula in store sheet and select sum range, criteria 1 range, criteria 1. Then criteria 2 range, criteria 2, then close bracket and press enter. Then we can see the result with 2 criteria. Please share your ideas and suggestions about Sumifs in the comment box. Please support our community to improve our skills in Excel. Thank you.